This is SONOTENS from HMS Medical System. It's actually a combination of the basics of a TENS machine and the ultrasound. This one actually has a 2-channel TENS equipped with it, and also ultrasound with 1 MHz frequency. So it has the combination of both TENS and the ultrasound. So this is the machine itself, and it will be coming with a 5 cm square transducer as standard, and a power cable, and 2 wires to connect the electrodes to the machine, and 2 pairs of electrodes, and a strap, and you also get a user manual. So these are the contents which will come along with the machine out of the manufacturer. So now let's get to the function of the machine and how to operate it. Switching on the machine is very simple. You have to plug in the power cable to the back of the machine, and you will have a power button to the back. You just have to switch it on, and now the machine is on. So you will be having 2 different power buttons to start ultrasound separately and TENS separately. So this one over the left is to start up the ultrasound, and to the right it's to start up the TENS. Okay, now we'll be starting it with the ultrasound first. Now this button is used to start ultrasound. So this is the basic setup for ultrasound. It's similar to the endosonic model. So these are the different modes which are offered with this ultrasound, same like the endosonic. So the first one is continuous, the second one is 1:9, third one is 2:8, fourth one is 2:3, and the fifth one is 1:1. So these are the different types of modes, same like endosonic. It's offered with this machine too, and you also have all the features from the endosonic, including the auto sensing feature, which can be turned off. So the middle button over here, the mode button, if you press this button for a long time, then you can disable the auto sensing feature of the transducer. So this feature is also available with the SONOTENS. Now we'll go through the key functions. So this keys over here is used to set the timer for ultrasound. So the maximum time limit is up to 99 minutes, which can be set with the SONOTENS. And this switch over here is actually the intensity switch, which will start only after switching on the ultrasound. Now we'll start with the operation of ultrasound first. Now the machine is in transducer is in auto sensing mode. We are setting the timer whatever you want, and I'm starting up the machine. So now the machine won't start because the transducer is not in contact with the skin. So the machine starts beeping only after getting in contact with the skin. The machine will start. So this is the auto sensing feature, which you'll be familiar with if you're using a HMS product already. So now we'll switch off the auto sensing mode. I am switching off the auto sensing mode now, and now I'm setting up the timer. I'm starting up the machine. So the machine is now started. You can see the green light glows over here, the transducer. So now the machine is in the on state. Now this switch over here is used to increase the intensity. Maximum intensity level is of 3 watts. So this is the maximum intensity level. So you can also give the combination therapy with the TENS. Now the ultrasound is in on state. We'll be switching on the TENS now. So this button over here is used to switch on the TENS. Now the TENS is in on state. So there is a unique feature, safety feature with the TENS mode. So for example, if you switch on any one of the switch with the channel 1 or channel 2 of the TENS, and so the switches in the channel 1 and channel 2 are on state now, and if you're by mistake switching on the TENS, then the machine will give you a warning sound that the intensity switches are in on state. So this will prevent from the sudden surge of power to the patient. So this is one safety feature available with the TENS mode. Now I am switching it off of both the intensity controller. So with the TENS you will have 5 different program settings and 1 auto mode, which will contain all the P1 to P5 programs embedded into it. So for TENS you can't set a timer, but by default the TENS treatment time is of 15 minutes, same like the pocket TENS which we offer with HMS Medical Systems. So I am selecting a P1 now, and I am switching on the channel 1. So if I switch on the channel 1, then channel 1 will get the output, and if I switch on the channel 2, channel 2 will get the output. So very simple, same like the pocket tens from HMS family. So these are the basics to operate the tens and ultrasound with this machine. And these things, both the tens and ultrasound, can be operated with the combination therapy. So that is also available with this machine. That's the main purpose of this machine, having both the equipments within the same unit. So you can also have the combination advantage. So that's it with this machine. It's very simple to use, and I hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If you have purchased this machine, then you have made the right choice. We hope to serve our best customer service to you guys. So thanks for watching. Thank you.